ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद तृतीय अध्याय। तृतीय अध्याय is where the dialogue between Yajnavalkya Rishi and the opponents in the court of Janaka. They all are having question and answer. That is Vada also, sometimes Jalpa also, sometimes Vitanda also. Okay? All of them are there. Let us see the Tika. मधुकांडे त्वाष्ट्रम कक्ष्यम चेति मधुद्वयम व्याख्यातम संप्रति कांडांतर आरंभम प्रति जानीते. In the Madhukanda means the previous 2 chapters and the 2 Pravargya Brahmana chapters. So 4 chapters if you include, in them the Upasana of Madhu and the Upanishad aspect of Madhu. Iti Madhudvayam Vyakyatam. Tvashtram means the Upasana aspect of the Madhu. Kakshyam means the Rahasyam, Gopyam. So Madhudvayam Vyakyatam. It has been expounded. Samprati Kandantar Arambham Pratijanite. Now, this next Kanda, about that Pratijanite means Pratignyam Karoti. The Bhashyakara is doing this Pratignya now. Janako Havaideha Ityadi Yajnavalkiyam Kandam Arabhyate. So the next part is Yajnavalkiya Kanda. Yajnavalkiya Kanda, what is the Pratyaya? Cha Pratyaya. Online students, not the ones who are already answering, those who don't answer otherwise. What is the sutra?
Ayaneya padakachagha pratyayadinam.
Pathakachagam pratyadina. Correct. Yajnavalkiyam Kandam Arabhyate. Now, a question is there. When you read this portion, you will realize what kind of questions come in people's mind. See, ननु पूर्वस्मिन् अध्याय द्वये व्याख्यातमेव तत्त्वम् उत्तरत्रापि वक्ष्यते तथा च पुनरुक्तेः अलम मुनिकाण्डेन इति तत्र आह. In the earlier 2 chapters, you talked about Brahma Vidya. You only said in a Sangraha, Atmetyavopasita was taught. In Vistara, entire 2nd chapter was elaboration on Brahma Vidya. Everything is done. Why are you starting another chapter? And in the later chapter also, same thing if you are going to teach. Vyakhyatameva tattvam uttaratrapi vakshyate chet. Then what will happen? Tatha cha punaruktehe. There is punarukti dosha. Alam muni kandena. Alam means vyartham or ni. There is no prayojanam for munikanda. Iti tatra aha. Bhashyakar says, Upapatti pradhanatvat अतिक्रांतेन मधुकांडेन समानार्थत्वे अपि सति न पुनरुक्तता. These two chapters are going to be based on the reasoning, logic, upapatti pradhanatvat. And therefore, atikrantena madhukandena, even though madhukanda, which we have already seen, the meaning here is same, samanarthatve api, but it is not considered as punarukti dosha, na punaruktata. Tika. तुल्यम उपपत्ति प्रधानत्वम मधुकांडस्यापि इति चेत. उपपत्ति प्रधानत्वम मधुकांडस्यापि, he said there also we did some upapatti. He said no. इति चेत न इत्याह. मधुकांडम ही आगम प्रधानम. In Madhukanda, it is only for Shravanam. Madhukanda means the first two chapters are for Shravanam. There is no Mananam in first two chapters. Who says? Bhagavan Bhashyakar himself has said, Madhukandam hi Agama Pradhanam. Nanu. Now, the normal people, normal means those who don't want to study Nyaya, they will have this excuse. Why do I want, I can just do Shravanam. Why do I need this Nyaya and all? Why do I need Upapatti? You see. Nanu pramanad agamad eva tattvajnanam utpatsyate. Vedanta is pramanam or not? Purvapakshi. Yes, Vedanta is pramanam. From pramana jnana utpatti will happen or not? Yes. Then jnanam tattvajnanam utpatsyate chet kimu papatya tat pradhanena kandena cha iti. Then why do I need upapatti pradhana Yajnavalkya Kanda and 2 chapters on that? So actually same question you can ask Gaudapada Ji. What is the first chapter of Mandukya Upanishad? Agama. If Agama Prakarana would have given the Jnanam, why do you need later 3 chapters? All you need is faith. Have faith in Shruti. Don't ask any questions. Just have faith. Oh, Bhagavan Bhashyakar says that is not how it is. You have to have reasoning. Actually, only when the punya karma rises, then you will have doubt. If the punya karmas are very less, you will not have any question only. Because everything, whatever is said, you are just sitting there as a spectator. So, some Acharya told his students, this is a real story. He told his students, don't study Nyaya, don't study Tarka, etc. And don't go to that ashram where Tarka is taught. And one day, Maharajji was at the bank of Gangaji. And the students of that Acharya happened to be there. So they asked some question. So Maharajji gave some Tarka and they did not understand. So, if there is a question, then the explanation will be through some reasoning. The method of reasoning is called Nyaya. Reasoning is not that how 2 people talk and I argue and you counter argue and it goes on and on. That is not called reasoning. Reasoning means there is some paksha, there is some sadhya, there is some vyapti. In vyapti you show vyabhichara, that vyabhichara shanka will be removed by tarka. This is called logical thinking. If you have objection, you show it through some vyabhichara shanka. Where there is dhuma, there is vanni. So if somebody says, okay, what if there is dhuma but no vanni? Dhumo astu, vannir mastu. So this is Vyabhichara Shanka. Then to remove that, you have to give some tarka. So this is how the doubts are removed. So here, Upapatti means this. Those who have studied Mandukya Upanishad, chapter 2, 3, 4, they know. It is not just based on Shruti. Whatever doubts are raised. How Jagrat is Mithya. Entire Vaitathya chapter is on this. How the waking state is an illusion. Jagrat is Mithya because it is Drishya. So somebody said, why Drishyatva should be the Hetu? Some other Hetu. There is Vyabhichara in that. Or Swapna can be Mithya, Jagrat need not be Mithya for the same Hetu, Drishyatva Hetu. So all these things are pointed out by Gaudapadacharya, then Bhashyakar, then Tikakar, and all of them are refuted. Then again, third chapter, why do you need? Then again, fourth chapter, why do you? So everything is based on logical thinking only. So if somebody says, oh, why do I need Upapatti? Why do you need chapter 3 and 4 and all for Brahadaranyaka? There is a reason. See the question. Nanu pramanad agamadeva tattva jnanam utpatsyate kim upapatya tat pradhanena kandena cha iti tatra aha आगमोपपत्ति ही आत्मैकत्व प्रकाशनाय प्रवृत्ते शक्नुतः. प्रवृत्ते है इसे प्रवृत्ते शक्नुतः. आगमोपपत्ति आगमश्च उपपत्ति च इति आगमोपपत्ति means you need both. You have to do shravanam, you have to do mananam. You have to have, when we say mananam, means not on your own, I am thinking about it. No, that is not called mananam. Mananam means you have to do paksha sadhya in this way mananam. Your own way of thinking is not considered shastriya. You think in one way, somebody else will think in some other way. That is a shastriya thinking. Thinking means it has to have a pattern which is accepted by all darshanas. Agamopapatti he, and what is the purpose of both of them? Atmaikatva prakashanaya. For Atma Ekatva Prakashanam. Pravrutte Shaknutaha. Shaknutaha is the Kriyapada. Pravrutte Sati Shaknutaha. And when they are engaged in this way, means when Agama and Upapatti both are Pravrutta, then Karatalagata Bilvam Iva Darshaitum. Like there is a Bilva fruit in the palm, then you will get the knowledge, it is there. There is no doubt. Like that, for doubtless knowledge, you will need Shastra as well as, what do you need? Means as Shravanam, so much you will have to do Manana. So texts like Vedanta Paribhasha and all, they are the foundation for this. Those who avoid those texts and say, this is too much thinking, this is that. Entire Brahma Sutra is actually Mananam, because it is Nyaya Prasthana. Shruti Prasthana is Upanishad. Smriti Prasthana is Gita. And Brahma Sutra is Nyaya Prasthana. It is all thinking oriented. Everything is thinking in this direction with Hetus. So you cannot do away with it. And if I don't want to think about this, then it will become Upasana. Then it will not be Jnana. Somebody says only by Shravanam also knowledge can take place. For that, you need so much purity and so much Vairagya. Anybody and everybody who doesn't want to think says by Shravanam also Jnanam will take place. It is not everybody's cup of tea. You need lot of Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi means Vairagya. टीका करणत्वेन आगमस तत्वज्ञान हेतुः उपपत्तिर उपकरणतया पदार्थ परिशोधन द्वारा तद हेतु रीति अत्र गमकम आह. So now there are two ways. Shravanam is there. There the Shastra Agama will become Karana. Karanatvena Agamaha Tattva Jnana Hetu. Scriptures will become the means of knowledge. Means they are the instrument you call Pramana. And Upapatti, the reasoning is Upakarana. What is Upakarana? 12 number Tippani. Karana Sahakaritaya Pramana Anugrahakattvena iti yavat. Upapattir hi tarkaha. See, I gave you the example of the tarka. See, if somebody says Dhuma is there, Vanni is not there. This is in Drishtanta. In Darshtanta, what will people say? Drishyatva is there, Mithyatva is not there. This is the main problem in our buddhi. That Drishyatva I cannot deny. Mithyatva I don't want to accept. So that is Dhomo Astu Vanir Mastu. This is exactly what everybody wants. Entire Advaita Siddhi is only on this point. If somebody says Dhomo Astu Vanir Mastu, whole Advaita Siddhi is for that. Because all these Dvaiti, the Purvapaksha there is, all these Madhvacharya students, means the proponents of that, what do they say? Drishyatva is there, but Jagat is not Mithya. For their Khandanam only, the whole text is there. So in my buddhi, I want to give reality to this world. And that reality has to be taken out. Then only Advaita Siddhi will happen. Dvaita Sattva, Advaita Siddhi cannot happen. So Upapattir hi tarkaha, such a Pramana Anugrahaka. Upapatti is tarka which is Pramana Anugrahaka. It will support the Pramana. Means Pramana has already said Neha Nanasti Kinchana. But it doesn't strike that no, there is no Nana. There is only Brahma. We have already seen 2 chapters so much, the Sthiti, Utpatti and Pralaya, all Drashtantas we saw. Then this Madhu Brahmana, Adhibhuta, Adhidaiva, Adhyatma, all of them are Paraspara, Upakari. They all are Adhyastha in Kutastha Chaitanya. But in my buddhi, it doesn't come. I don't see them. I don't see my Ahankara as Adhyasa. This is the main problem. I may say, those people whom I don't like, they are all Mithya. That is not the objective. Shrotavyo mantavyo iti hi uktam. Upakaranataya in Tika first. Padartha parishodhana dwara tad hetuhu iti atra gamakam. So for this you need Padartha parishodhana. This we will see in the introduction today in Naishkarma Siddhi also. Padartha parishodhanam, if it is not done, means when it is said you in Tattvam Asi, you, that you means with Panchakosha, means you are out. You does not include any kosha. You means Chaitanya. So in my buddhi, Aham means only Chaitanya. Aham means only Sat. When this keeps coming, because of Dridha understanding, then I am eligible for Brahma-Atma Aikya. Until then, Padartha Parishodhanam is required. पदार्थ परिशोधन द्वारा तद हेतु इति अत्र गमकम आह श्रोतव्य मंतव्य. Acharya says you have to do Shravanam and you have to do Mananam also. Iti hi uktam. टीका. करणोपकरणयोर आगमोपपत्योस तत्वज्ञान हेतुत्वे सिद्धे फलितम उपसंहरति. करण and उपकरणयोः आगम उपपत्योः. One is for agama, another is for upapatti. करणोपकरणयोः आगमोपपत्योस, they both are तत्वज्ञान हेतु. तत्वज्ञान हेतुत्वे सिद्धे. So first, in my buddhi, I should understand this upapatti is for tattva jnanam. Tattva jnanam is what I need. And it is without which Shravanam will be incomplete. In Shravanam will not give its phalam. It has not given. Somebody need not tell you Shravanam will not give you phalam. Have you completed Shravanam? Yes. Do you see the phalam? No. That's it. Arthapatti Pramana is there. So, both of them, Agama and Upapatti. And that is why we study the later chapters of Mandukya also thoroughly for the Yukti to take place. So that I am not shaken. Same thing is here also. Tattva Jnana Hetutve Siddhe Phalitam Upasamharati. Tasmat Agamarthasya Pariksha Purvakam Nirdharanaya Yajnavalkyam Kandam Upapatti Pradhanam Arapyate. So therefore, Agamarthasya Pariksha Purvakam Nirdharanaya. Means we are not going to do Nirdharanam which is different from what was already established in the first two chapters. Agamarthasya Pariksha Purvakam. What is Pariksha? Paritaha Ikshanam. Parikshanam. Uddesha Lakshana Pariksha. After you do Lakshanam, what is Pariksha? Lakshitasya Lakshane Alakshitasya Lakshane Dosho Sambhavati Nava. Iti Vichara. Lakshita means what is pointed out. So let's say Jagat is pointed out. Jagat is pointed out as Mithya because it has Drishyatva. This Lakshanam is valid or not. Otherwise, what will happen? When there is crisis, I will cry, suffer, etc. Means what? I am not able to use this jnanam to help me come out of my problems. That is what it is saying. I should be able to use this wisdom to protect myself. Pariksha Purvakam Nirdharanaya. And that's why I think they say, those people who don't have enough Vairagya, they will study also and not show any result in their own life, in their own mind. Or progress will be very slow. Okay. Further in Tika, Yathokta Ritya Kanda Arambe Api Kimiti Akhyayika Praniyate Tatra Aha. So in other words, only Agama is not enough, only Upapatti is also not enough. So because Agama is said as Karana, Upapatti is said as Upakarana. For example, let us say I want to see something far. Do I need eyes or not? I need eyes. But with my eyes, I can't see something which is far. So I will use some binocular, some instrument. That is Upakarana. So I need Karana also, I need Upakarana. Whenever any surgery and all they want to do, Karana will be there, Upakarana will be there, means person will use his hand, then they will also use, robots are there now, AI they will use, etc. etc. But you need both. And those instruments will be there. Then what is happening, that also you should know it is going in the right direction. So you need both. That way here also, Karana Upakarana, Agama Upapatti, both are needed. Yathokta Ritya, Kanda Arambhe Api, Kimiti Akhyayika Praniyate. Then somebody says, why do you need this Akhyayika now? Praniyate. Praniyate. Online students, what is the sutra? Praniyate. What is the dhatu first of all? Can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
What is the dhatu? Ni prapane. Ni prapane dhatu is there. So niyate it should be. Then pra upasarga makes it aniyate.
Upasargad asamasepi nopadeshasya.
Upasargad samasepi nopadeshasya. What does this sutra do?
Nakara makes into ana.
Any nakara it will make into na.
No, Swamiji.
Okay, if I give drishtanta. Prananti. Pranam deva anuprananti. Right? Prananti. So, anti is there. Pra upasarga purvak anti. What is the dhatu there? An. Same samasa sutra. There is no, not rasa. It is samana pade. Only those dhatus whose earlier form had anakara, when they have upasarga, means the nimitta for the nakara to become anakara. So because the dhatu is ani prapane, then the derived form will be niyate. So the moola dhatu, because it has nakara, if the nimitta is there, then again it will become aniyate, praniyate. But if the dhatu is like an, where there is no nakara, then prananti, that nakara becoming nakara, this sutra will not come. Just because the pra is there, therefore for that another sutra will come. Means you should know the vritti of that sutra. That is what I meant. Tatra aha. Akhyayika tu vijnana stutyartha. Upaya vidhi parava. The story is for two reasons. Vijnana stuti and upaya vidhi. Vijnana stuti means it is praising the Brahma Vidya, the self-knowledge. And upaya vidhi means how will you get this knowledge? Tika. Vijnanavatam puja atra prayujyamana drishyate. Those who are wise people, they are being worshipped. They are given so much respect. Vijnanavatam puja atra prayujyamana drishyate. How? See 4 number tippani. Namo vayam brahmisthaya kurma ityadi rupa. Yajnavalkya himself will say, Namo vayam brahmisthaya. I offer salutations to those who are wise, realized people. He said, I am not realized. Actually, he is realized person. Puja atra prayujyamana drishyate. And you will see in the 4th chapter also, Janak Maharaj will do puja of Yajnavalkya. Every time he will come, his feet will be washed, he will be offered garland, etc. He will be fed. Then question answer will be there. So puja is there. तथा च विज्ञानं महाभागधेयम् इति स्तुतिः अत्र विवक्षिता इत्यर्थः। विज्ञानं महाभागधेयम्, महाभागधेयम् शब्द came yesterday, right? I told you Bhagavan, that shabda comes, Mahabhaga, means you have great bhag. Dheya, dheyat pratyay is there here. What is the Vartika? Bhaga Rupa Namabhyo Dheyaha. Bhaga Rupa Namabhyo Dheyaha. So Bhaga is there, Dheya can come. Nama is there, Dheya. Vacharambanam. Vikaro Nama Dheyam. That Nama can also have Dheya. In this way, Shabda will be there. Mahabhaga Dheyam. Iti Stutihi. Those who have attained this knowledge, they are the most fortunate people. Mahabhaga Dheyam. Vidya Grahane Danakhya Upaya Prakara Jnapana Para Va Akhyayika. And in Vidya Grahana, in receiving Danam, if I get the knowledge, I have to give some Danam. I have to make some offering. Danakhya Upaya Prakara Jnapana Para. Achha, in your Danakhya Upaya. Oh, Danakhya it should be. Upaya Prakara Jnapana Parava Akhyayika. So this is a means. When you give some offering, then teacher will teach you. How do we know? Janak Maharaj, every time, whenever he wanted knowledge, he would give 1,000 cows with gold loaded on top of them. 1,000 cows. Then he'll get some knowledge. Then again 1,000 cows. And so many times in 4th chapter, little bit more knowledge, tell me more. Here are 1,000 cows with loaded gold. Here are 1,000 cows, like that. So this shows for Vidya Grahanam, there is Danam. Danakhya Upaya. See, those who are living in Gurukula, or those who have renounced everything, for them, there is no Danam. Okay. This Danam is primarily for those who are capable and those who have other means of income, etc., etc. They have to make these offerings. That is what is said. There is a shloka which is also given. In Bhashya, Prasiddho hi upayo vidvadbhihi shastreshu cha drashto danam. Danam is a prasiddha upaya. And it is shown or it is seen by wise people in scriptures. That charity you do, you will get knowledge. Means you will become eligible to receive. One of the means is charity. Sitika. Katham punar danasya vidya grahana upayatvam. How do you say danam is vidya grahana upaya? Katham punar danasya vidya grahana upayatam tatraha prasiddho hi upaya. It is prasiddha. Where it is prasiddha? See the shloka. Guru Shushrushaya Vidya Pushkalena Dhanena Va Athava Vidyaya Vidya Chaturtham Naiva Karanam. Six number tippani you have to see. You cannot just say the second line I don't have. That is why that 6 number is there. Everybody found the second half of the shloka. So he said there are 3 means. Found or not?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swami.
There are 3 means to gain knowledge. One is Guru Shushrushaya Vidya. You have to do serving. Means you have to do everything. You have to wash clothes. You have to fill water, you have to do cleaning, everything. And that too, to the satisfaction of Guru. Not that I have done, you like it or not, I don't care, I am Ada here. Not that. Guru Shushrashaya. Other option, if you are not eligible for that, Pushkalena Dhanenava. You have to give lot of wealth. Lot of wealth means 1,000 cows with gold. Means every time 1,000 cows gold. New chapter is starting. Whether either you serve or you do this. Or there is one more option. What is that? Athva Vidya Avidya. Means you give one Vidya to Guru, Guru will give you another Vidya. Means you say, I will teach you Nyaya, you teach me Vedanta. Or I will teach you Mimamsa, you teach me Vedanta. That is allowed. In Kashi, that is very common. Most people who are Nyaya Acharyas, they don't study Vedanta. So they will study Vedanta from someone. Vedanta Acharyas will study Nyaya Parasparam Bhava. So this is Vidyaya Vidya. Is there any Chaturtha Vikalpa? Chaturtham Naiva Karanam. Only three. Either you do Guru Seva, Pushkala Dhana. Pushkala Dhana means we should remember these chapters for Pushkala Dhana. Not Pushkala Dhana. And therefore, this is a means. Pushkala Dhana is a means to gain knowledge. So those who are doing Guru Shushrusa, they should not feel this person is, why that person is getting knowledge. That person may be getting knowledge because they have other means. And those who are giving Pushkala, they should not think why this person is getting knowledge. They have Guru Shushrusa. Guru Shushrusa means, if the Guru says you have received the Jnanam, now for next 15 years, you have to do what I say. You do this, you do that, you teach. And Guru may say, you go, you are free. That is also. Whatever Guru says, then that is the Guru Dakshina. Ityadau Danakhyo Vidyagrahanopayo Yasmat Prasiddhas Tasmat Tasya Tad Upayatve Nasti Vaktavyam Ityartha. Since this Danakhya Vidyagrahana Upaya is Prasiddha, there is no other thing required to be talked about this. This is famous. I mean, this is very well known. That Dhanam is the Karanam for this Brahma Vidya. Dane Sarvam Pratishtitam Ityadi Shrutishu Vidvadbhihi Esha Vidyagrahanopayo Drashtas Tasmat Na Tasya Upayatve Vivaditavyam. There is nothing to be argued or discussed about this because it is said Dane Sarvam Pratishtitam. 8 number Tippani Brahan Narayana means this is Narayana, Mahanarayana Upanishad. Kandika 79. Ityadi Shrutishu Vidvadbhihi Esha Vidyagrahana Upaya Drashta. By wise people, this Vidyagrahana Upaya is seen. Tasmad na tasya upayatve vivaditavyam. So, about this, Vivada should not have been there. Vidvadbhihi iti. In Bhashya Vidvadbhihi Shastreshu cha drashto Dhanam. Further, Upapannam cha Dhanasya Vidyagrahanoupayatvam itya. Dhanasya Vidyagrahanoupayatvam Upapannam. It is already understood. Dhanena hi upannamante pranina. If you give Dhanam, praninaha upanamante. They will bow down to you. They will bow down to you means they will be at least ready to listen to you. If you don't give Dhanam, nobody will listen to you. Like animals also, if you see, you give them something for 2-3 days, they will come and then you say, go here, they will go. Come, they will come. Anyone stranger, just like that, if they say, nobody will listen. Okay, bhavatu danam vidyagrahanopayas tathapi iyam akhyayika katham tat pradarshana para iti ashankyaha. Okay, let Dhanam with the Vidyagrahana Upaya. How this story is talking about the Dhanam as the Vidyagrahanam भाष्य प्रभूतम हिरण्यम गो सहस्र दानम च इह उपलभ्यते. हियर प्रभूतम हिरण्यम, lot of gold along with 1,000 cows is seen. Mean this is what the danam is here. Okay. Then Nanu onwards we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.